What's up guys? I'm in New York right now. Today's video is a good one. It's all about the Mazdaspeed 3 and the EP Aero Kit, the Evolutionary Performance Aero Kit, as well as a few other things that I saw at the shop. When I went down there, I was just kind of hanging out, looking at all the engines and stuff, but I'm gonna be back at that shop really soon, probably in the next few days, to do like a full walk around and to show you guys what the shop is all about. But I wanted to post this video showing the Aero Kit, the Evolutionary Performance designed for the Mazdaspeed 3 and the Mazdaspeed 6. They look really good, and in my opinion, they're the best Aero Kit you can buy for the money, and just in general, they look really good. But I hope you guys like today's video. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so this is the EP Aero edition on Cody's car. Sadly, he has no engine in it, but this is what the front splitter looks like. Then we've got side skirts. It's all this black piece right here. And then you've got the rear pieces. Let me know what you guys think of the Aero Kit that was on the Mazdaspeed 3, and let me know if you guys would want to ever buy one, because I think it's $300 for the entire Aero Kit, which includes the rear portion of like the rear portion of the splitter, as well as the side skirts and the front lip. It's a pretty good deal, but I'll go more into depth when I go into the shop the next time, as well as I'm going to be getting a ride along in Artem's 800 horsepower Speed 3, so be sure to subscribe and stick around for that video guys, because it's gonna be a banger. But I'll catch you guys tomorrow.